how to use BetMGM's player prop bets for NFL or NBA games. Now, BetMGM's player prop bets are a popular option for sports bettors who want to focus on individual player performances in NFL or NBA games rather than the overall team outcome. Now, basically, if you want to access player prop bets on BetMGM, just log in on the app or the website. Now you can simply select the game, which could be NFL or NBA games right over here, section under the sportsbook, right? So make sure to go on to sports and go to NFL or NBA sportsbook right there. Now you have to simply choose a game. So just select the game that you're interested in from the list of upcoming matchups. Then from here, you have to simply go to the player props section right here. Once you go to the player props, you can see game props and so on. You can just go over there and click on the game props or player props section. Now from there, you can browse all the available bets right there. So there will be NFL. For NFL, there are passing yards for a quarterback. For NBA, there's total points for a player, over, under, or assist on the double assist achieved. And from there, you'll see the options on the bet slip on the right hand side where you'll be able to enter your stake right here. Once you enter your stake in the bet slip, input the amount that you want to wager, and then you can review and confirm the changes. This way, you'll be able to use the player props bets feature in NBA games. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.